Hi guys, so let's unbox this ZORBES tough shell hard case for MacBook. This is for the MacBook Air M1, which is suitable for model A1932 or A2179 or A2337. So I got this from Amazon. Comes in such a packing, and it gives in the behind it gives all about the instructions how to fix this and the features. Protects your MacBook against scratches and scuffs. Thin and light design ensures your MacBook stays light on its feet. Designed to fit your MacBook perfectly. Two-piece design makes it easy to put on or remove in airport security. Has access to all ports. So yeah, let's unbox this. Unpack it. Two color options, like a clear one, the rainbow color, purple color, and this one. So you can see nicely packed plastic, lightweight. The upper one and the lower one with all grips and all the spaces or the slots for the ports. So, into the case, I put the back cover. Now let's see front cover. That's it. After you put, it looks like this, the front and the back, and it's very easy to open. Close.